Hey guys, I am Torchwood and you should know that or you will. So today we are watching Doctor Who. That's Freddy, who is disturbing me as I'm trying to talk. Silence, animal! Basically just told me to F off. This is Doctor Who, this is season 9, wow, I've turned American. Episode 4, this is Before the Flood. Let's go!
Out that Rose or Martha or Amy lost their breakfast on the first trip.
You seem to know an awful lot about me.
Rose, Martha and Amy.
I used to be military intelligence. I was demoted for dangling a colleague out of a window.
Anger.
Is there another way to dangle someone out of a window? What year are we in?
1980.
So pre-Harold Saxon, pre-the Minister of War, pre-the moon exploding, the big bat coming out.
The Minister of War?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. I expect I'll find out soon enough.
Ooh, is that our arc?
The prawn sandwich might have been on.
Until we were liberated by the Arctelians. But, thank the gods, soon we'd irritated them so much they'd saved us.
Arctelian.
First proper alien, and he's an idiot.
In accordance with Arctelian custom, I've come to bury him on a barren, savage outpost.
You mean the town?
It means the planet.
Although,
Oh.
at the risk of starting a bidding war, you could enslave me. In the ship I have directions to my planet and a selection of items that you can oppress me with.
Listen, we've come from the future. You're about to send some sort of signal. How do you do it? Is it a special pen?
What are you talking about?
The thing. Connor. When's I die?
No, not necessarily. We can change the sequence of events, so...
This is a potential future. This is the future.
You've seen
It's
it.
already happened. The proof is right there in front of you.
Amy and Rory. That's all I'm gonna say. Because you saw it, it has to happen.
I have to die.
No. You can change things.
I can't. Even the tiniest change. The ramifications could be catastrophic, could spread carnage and chaos across the universe like ripples on a pond.
Oh!
Oh, well, I've had a good innings.
Pond?
This regeneration. It's a bit of a cat ladder anyway. Going on sometime.
Not with me! Die with whoever comes after me. You do not leave me!
I need to talk to you just on your own. Listen to me. We all have to face death eventually, be it ours or someone else's.
I'm not ready yet.
Stop with the foreshadowing!
No, not yet.
I can't change what's already happened. There are rules.
So break them. And anyway, you owe me. You made yourself essential to me. You've given me something else to be. And you can't do that and then die. It's not fair.
Karen.
No, Doctor, I don't care about your rules or your bloody survivor's guilt. If you love me in any way, you'll come back. Doctor,
I can't save morale, Bridget.
no, like you said, if you can find out why this is happening, then maybe you can stop them killing anybody else. You can save us. And you can stop it happening to you.
I'll do what I can.
Oh, this is so cute!
We've just met the Undertaker and he's still alive.
He's gonna save her because he does love her in some way. He loves all his companions in some way. That was beautiful.
It's coming off!
This is so cool. No, let's split up.
Go on, Ben!
That's never a good idea. Shit. Shit. Bennett, aren't you? Wait, no, who's next?
Wait.
to come. You shouldn't have come. I mean, you never listen to anyone. It drives me mad.
But I'm the idiot. So don't.
Aww. Fuck me. Sorry. that made me jump. Wait a minute. Who's that?
O'Donnell's dead.
Oh right, that's O'Donnell, right. She's going for the fall.
Time lords, cowardly veteran curators who suddenly remembered they had teeth and became the most warlike race in the galaxy.
Cass?
There is nothing.
Nicely done.
I've already done it. The words are gone. I got rid of them. The future I saw, none of that will happen now. The message will never contaminate my friends. No one will die. No one has come to save you. That's the thing about knowing you're going to die. You've got nothing left to lose. Don't kiss me. Morning breath.
Doctor.
Follow me.
But what about his ghost? I don't understand.
It's the call of the Fisher King. The call of their master.
Where are you going?
Faraday cage. He was a hologram.
Well, it must have been. Wow.
Exactly. Who composed Beethoven's Fifth?
That's such a cool ending. Next time.
Doctor, help me!
Yes, you're the very next thing on the list.
We are Vikings! You fight or you die.
They're called the Maya.
You will beg for me.
Amazing.
The devil is warrior race in the galaxy.
One of them, yes, why?
I think this village just declared war.
There's gonna be a war. Here's some news. We're gonna win the hell out of it.
Why are you here?
I'm the doctor, and I save people.
Doctor Who, a little earlier next Saturday on BBC One at 8:20.
Stop. Oh, right, that's not too bad. I was about to yell at them for changing the time again. Thank you for watching very much, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. You know what? I was a little confused all the way through, and then it finally added up at the end, so I'm quite happy with it. I'm quite happy with that two-part. It was really good. I would say the first part was better than the second part, but not by much. And obviously, the part of this series is exceptional at the moment. In fact, I would go as far to say that look out, Series 9, your crown, Series 4, your crown is having some contention, for me anyway. I will see you in the next video. I hope you have a great day. I love you all.